Welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to connect your Telegram wallet to your Tonkeeper. Now, the Telegram wallet, that is the tone space of your Telegram wallet. There are two wallets in the Telegram. One, which is the exchange. Then we have one, which is the Web3 wallet. And it is called Tone Space Wallet. Now, today we are going to see how to connect this to our Tonkeeper. Now, you're going to click on the Tone Space Beta Wallet. Then you come to the setting up here. That is at the top left corner. You click on Tap to View. Then you copy the face. You click the copy here. Then you go to your Tonkeeper. You go to Google Play Store and download Tonkeeper. Or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to your App Store and download Tonkeeper. Now, when you download Tonkeeper, this is the logo. It launches this way. It launches this way. So, what you do next is this. You hold on for it to launch. Then, since we've copied our wallet face already, that is what we use to connect the wallet. Now, this is how it's going to show after you open the Tonkeeper for the first time. You click Import Existing Wallet. Click Import Existing Wallet, and you take the first option, that is Existing Wallet. Then it's going to show the next page, which is to put the face. So you paste what you've copied from your Telegram wallet. So you click Continue. After clicking Continue, you hold on for a while for it to confirm. Then you put your 4 digits you can remember, and you'll be told to enter it again. And you hold on once again for this to load to create a wallet, and you enable the notification. It's important for you to enable notifications, very important. Now look at this. I'm going to notice now this wallet here is exactly the wallet present in your Telegram, but this time the Tone Space wallet. Now let's confirm. Now let's go to receive. Now you're going to see that this Telegram wallet here shows UQCI, then the last 3 digits says 0R6. Now let's confirm it is the same. Now you're going to check that this one is different. So it means this your Tone Space also has 2 wallets inside. But this is not the main one. Now you click on the settings. Then you come to Tone Space version. Now this is a new version for those who are just downloading Telegram. They put the 2 versions there. So you are picking the first one. Now the first one confirmed. Now the wallet face that was copied has two different wallets, but the main one is the first one. The main one is the first one here. The second one is just a subordinate wallet for the wallet itself. Now, so this is what is going to show in the Tone Space wallet. That is what you need for that. So you come back, you're going to see that it is now the same. You see? UQCI 0R6. This has been done already. So it means I've transferred this already to my Tonkeeper. Then for security reason, you need to back it up with an email. The reason for that is so that when you open Tone Space in a different phone with the same phone number, this wallet can be recovered. That is the essence. That's the essence of requesting for an email. So you need to put an email for that. So these have been done already. So I have the correct version. Now look at the address UQCI. Now let's check out Tone Space. My Tonkeeper now. UQCI. Can you see? So we have the same now. So why are we doing this? Sometimes maybe a particular coin has been released or a token has been released. Then you need to swap the coin to Tone, or you need to swap it to USDT very fast. You need to come to Tonkeeper. Now, sometimes because of the crowd, too much crowd of accessing the Telegram wallet at the time, there may be some disturbance or hanging of the Telegram wallet from opening. So the best thing to do is you can access the Telegram wallet from Tonkeeper. Now that's the best way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, subscribe, share this video. We beg you, please. So I'll continue giving you some more amazing content like this. Thank you very much and have a good day.